I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are an admin, because only admins can delete a page. Once done, use a desktop browser for full controls. Mobile apps hide options. Log into Facebook.com, click the page from the left menu, and open Settings or Page Settings immediately. This gives you access to page roles, templates, and removal options. Make sure to remove other admins or transfer duties if needed, because deletion is irreversible after the final step, and you should avoid losing access unexpectedly. Once in Settings, go straight to General or the Remove Page section to find deletion controls. Click Edit next to Remove Page, then select Delete Page Name to begin. Facebook shows a deletion notice explaining consequences and the potential 14-day grace period during which you can cancel. Read that carefully so you know what data and linked assets will be lost. If the page is linked to ad accounts or Instagram, unlink those before confirming. This prevents accidental impact on advertising and connected content. Confirm deletion when prompted, and understand this starts the final process. Facebook may hold the page for up to 14 days before permanent removal. Make sure you export any posts, photos, or admin info you need beforehand, and record the page name for reference. After confirming, watch your notifications and email for a deletion confirmation and the cancel link. If something goes wrong, first verify you're still listed as an admin and disable browser extensions or ad blockers. These often interfere with Facebook's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.